Hello everybody and welcome back to Mariposa Makeup 13. I am back to do unboxing for the month of April for Boxycharm and Ipsy. And this month we have Welcome Home. That's the theme, and I am so sorry I wasn't able to have this out in the beginning of the month. So many stuff has been keeping me busy that I almost thought, you know what, should I not? You know what, I said just do it because it's telling me to keep going, to do what I love, and this is what I love. This is my passion here, to connect with you guys. So I said, you know what? I have the package here. I have posted on my Instagram. I have posted in other places, but you know what? I need to post for you guys, to see the lovely items I got for this month. So let's get into Ipsy Glam Bag. And this is, oh yeah, but let's see. Oh yeah, but I was gonna read this pamphlet, which I'm gonna do right now. So this month it says come out of, hibernation, like come out of where you've been hiding for all this winter months and embrace a dreamy new world filled with heavenly makeup and planet positive favored and vitamin powered skincare to bring out your inner glow. So bring out the beautiful glow you've been hiding all these long winter months, because we are in spring, but honestly I feel like the weather is, haven't been acting like spring lately, but it's getting there. Like I see the trees, the little, little flowers appearing, so it gives me kind of like a hope, saying, you know what, we're getting there. Soon we will be in the summer, and then we'll be saying, oh my goodness, it's too hot. No, I would say, you know what, embrace, enjoy every aspect, because winter I feel is too long here. So let's get into opening. Oh my gosh, look at this gorgeous Ipsy Glam Bag. They always do the best details. Look at the light colors. This is definitely like cute bag. So let's see what we have inside. The first item is from Billion Dollar Brow Lift. So this is like, I think this is definitely a brow gel, and I really love using brow gel because they keep my eyebrows in place and they don't move. They just last all along. The next item is from Elemis, and this is Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer Illuminating. Yeah, so it gives you like illuminate. It gives you that glow. This is what we were talking about in the theme, just to bring your inner glow out. And this is it. This is the beauty, and I'm excited to try. I think I have another item from this brand, but I'm not sure, maybe from last month. So I am excited to try more from this beautiful brand. So the next item is Golden Fading MD Body Care, and this is Body Surge. This is hydrating, moisturizing body moisturizer. So nice to have, because I really am so there to having moisturizer. Like I use so much body butter, body oils, all that stuff. I really love feeling my body soft. So it's excellent. It's a must, especially now that we're coming into this beautiful weather. Yeah, you need to prepare yourself for summer. So the next item is by Rome, New York. This is a Very Pro Refining Toner. So this is it. This is beautiful. And toners, to me, I think toners are necessary, like especially if you like are into having all these steps, but sometimes you have to watch out that it doesn't dry your skin. Like it has to be exactly for your skin. My skin is a combination, so I think this will be good, but I definitely would love to read into this to see like if it would, but I hear they have really wonderful skincare. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, in my other Ipsy Glam Bag I got a toner, and it was the apple matcha, I think. Yeah, so that's four, and this is the last item for the Ipsy Glam Bag. And these Ipsy Glam Bags brings 5 deluxe samples. So this is from Kiss and Smick, and this is the shade Pony, and this is like yeah, it's tinted lip oil. So let's swatch it. I love to swatch and see what gorgeous shade we have here. Look at that. Ooh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I am so there for lip oil. Definitely there. I love it. So let's try and see what is next? Oh, next. So now let's continue with the Boxycharm because I am so excited for that. Let's try it out here. Let's not try it out. Let's open it up. I'm too excited for this month, and this is the Ipsy Boxycharm box. So let's see. The first item is Brio Boleta Breakdown Oil-Free Makeup Remover. Yeah, that is definitely amazing, and this is definitely a must because you see, I love to have makeup on daily, even if I'm not even out. I think makeup to me, I think is something that helps you out. It makes you feel better. It just like brings the mood into like, you know, nothing's happening, so let's just do some makeup, and the day right away it turns around. So let's continue to this. So this right here, this is the packaging, and I definitely will love to give this a try right away because especially if it's oil-free makeup remover, yeah, I will get back to you with it because yeah, I do makeup every day, so this is gonna go quickly, right? So the next item, ooh, we have a palette, and this is Violet Ross, and this is Pretty in Paradise. So I think this is like yeah, it says all-in-one face and eye shadow palette. So here we go. This is it. So let's open up this beauty. Let's see if I could. Whoa, look at that. See, there's a blush. The shades are gorgeous. I can't wait to play with them. I definitely will try them out because I love to try different colors, and definitely is a must. I'm going to try out this beauty. I'm excited. When I get a new eyeshadow, I'm really excited to try it out because I think it's so much fun to try out new colors. You know, it's life. We have to try out and have fun each day. So the next item here is 2 lip liners, and this is, let me see if I could open this up. Yeah. Oh, it's 2 shades here. Oh, there we go. So this is lip liner Beloved right here. This is, yeah, this is Beloved, and let me see, Worthy. So this is Worthy and this is Beloved, and I'm gonna see if I can swatch it for you guys. Look at them. And this is from Misco Beauty. I never really heard of the brand. Wow, it's creamy. It is lovely. I don't really have a lot of lip liners, so this definitely comes handy. And this is gonna be the second one. So look, that's the first one and that's the second one. It's definitely nice because, you know, we always need a nice lip liner. Let's see the next one. Okay guys, so I am back. Oh my goodness, I had to stop because I literally got some exciting news, and I am still overexcited here. I cannot believe it, but I am going to share when I have it, and when this comes true, you guys are definitely gonna see it and you're gonna be excited as I am. So let's continue with the next item from Boxycharm, and it is the Better Than Sex 24-Hour Lash Primer. So this is from Too Faced. So this is gonna definitely help make your mascara last longer. So it's just like, it's like it gives you like more curl, more volume, intense mascara color. So definitely straightforward product to use before your mascara. So I definitely will give this a try very soon. And lastly, my last item, this is Nip Fab Renewal Retinol Fix Eye Treatment. So this is gonna be nice because we definitely need to be taking care of the eye area. So this is the packaging, and I am hoping to give this a try. So this is all for Ipsy this month of April. And I do want to say that you guys do not want to go far because next month we have Ipsy Boxycharm and Icon Box, and I definitely am excited because there's been some sneak previews around there in the everywhere. They're saying about who is the Icon Box for, and I think it's a very familiar person that we all know, I think, from the makeup industry. So definitely give that check that out because I'm not really 100% sure, but I think it is already confirmed, right? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always being here for me and for always inspiring me to keep wanting more, keep going for my dream. Don't give up. And I say the same thing to you. If you want to get into this lovely community, just go for it. Don't be shy. Go there, do your thing, and show who you are, because you never know. A new door opens up every day. So thank you guys. Take care, and we see you soon.